Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the facts of India. Why is India named India? The name is India is derived from the river of Indus, the valleys around which were the name of the early settlers. The Aryan worshippers refer to the river Indus as the Sindhu. The name Hindustan combines Sindhu and Hindu and thus refers to the land of the Indus. Chess was invented in India. Is Bharat and India is the same? The first article of the Constitution of India states that in India, that Bharat shall be a union of states, implicitly codifying India and Bharata as equally official short names for the Republic of India. Today it refers to the contemporary Republic of India located in therein. Facts about India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It covers an area of 32,87,263 km. It has land frontier about 15,200 km. Its coastline is about 6,100 km. The mainland comprises four well-defined regions. Number 1, the Great Mountain Zone. Number 2, plains of the Ganga and the Indus. Number 3, the desert region, and number 4, the southern peninsula. Rivers. The rivers in India are classified as Himalayan rivers, Deccan rivers, coastal rivers, and rivers of the inland drainage basin. The Himalayan rivers are snow-fed and have continuous flow through the year. The Deccan rivers are rain-fed and a large number of them are non-perennial. The coastal streams, especially of the west coast, are short in length and limited in catchment area. The rivers of the inland drainage are changing character. Climate. The climate of India is tropical monsoon type. Seasons. There are 4 seasons in India. Number 1, winter season, January to February. Number 2, hot season, the summer, March to May. Number 3, the rainy season, June to September. And number 4, forced monsoon, October to December. Rains. Rains in India are ill distributed. They vary from place to place and year to year. Some places in the Khasi and Janita hills of Meghalaya receive the highest rainfall in the world. Most part of the country get rains from June to September, but in Tamil Nadu it is from October to December. Census. The first All India census was completed in 1872. Since 1881 census in India has been taking place regularly every year. The latest census operations started in February 1981. Population. Population of India is 84,39 and 30,861. This is the world records and registration. Now is triple. Now is over than now. Religions. Important religions followed in India are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism. Languages. 15 languages are specified in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. These are Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Oriana, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Census highlights. Population total 84, 39, 30, 861. Male 43, 75, 97, 929. Female 40, 63, 32, 932. This is the world record and registration. Density of population 2167 per square meter. This is the world records. Sex ratio 929 females per 1000 males. Literacy rate males 63.86% and female 39.42%. This is the all world registration and records. National flag. The national flag is horizontal tricolor of deep saffron kesari at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The ratio of the width of flag to its length is 2 to 3. In the center of the white band is a wheel in navy blue which represents the Ashoka Chakra. Its design is borrowed from the abacus of the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. The design was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. State emblem. The state emblem was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. The wheel appears in the center with a bull on the right and horse on the left. In the original there were four lines but only 3 are visible. National Anthem. National Anthem. Rabindranath Tagore's Jana Gana Mana was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly as the National Anthem of India on 24 January 1950. National Song. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Vande Mataram is the national song of India. National Calendar. A uniform national calendar based on Sakaira with Chaitra as its first month and normal year of 365 days was adopted from the 22nd March 1957. According to this calendar, first day of Chaitra falls on 22nd March normally and 21st March in a leap year.